Okay, y'all, here's what we're doing today anyways. We are going to, I don't know if we'll make it this far today, but either way we're going to clean out this ditch line right here and get it actually everywhere it's supposed to go and get all the water going over that way. But we're mainly working on this right up here today, and we're going to put a culvert in, about 20-foot culvert right here, and dig it down, get it out of the way. And we're going to take that little bit of extra dirt right there, bring it over on here, try to just smooth it up over to the yard. And we're going to fix this little thing, try to tie all the pipes in right here. We got another 25-foot long culvert going up through there, and then we got some pipe over right here. We're going to pull that out, and we're going to use it over in the pond. We're going to drop down the driveway, I'm hoping 6 inches, pull all this gravel off, put it back in there, and we're going to see what it turns out to be like. Hopefully I can still operate this thing correctly. And we're going to clean out this whole ditch up through there, and going to slant it all over so the water will go in it, so we don't have this erosion problem in the road. Probably still will on a heavy rain or something. And we're going to also try to fix this side over here, get it all draining. We're going to kick it over that way, and then now this, we want it to follow the ditch line from the very top up there and come all the way down. And we're going to run into a culvert. It's actually going to run into that grate right there, you see, and then there's going to be a culvert there. And then we are going to fix that whole ditch line all the way down through there so all this don't get washed out anymore. All right, getting ready to go get the track hoe. Let's get on with it. don't work. Pull the car down.